While everyone else is preparing for the rock crawling trails, you're running a hunt online looking for the best ATV batteries that can help you win or at least start the ATV you kept away from for so long. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best ATV battery. So let's get started. Number 1. Weize YTX14 BS ATV Battery. The first one on the list is from Weize. And you will be making an unwise decision if you do not list this along with the popular USability brand that sells ATV batteries. Tough competition to USability, this one from Weize is a sealed body, a lead-acid battery that serves your ATV without causing spills, and with the most orientation-friendly setup that can be set any way you like. This flexibility makes it one of the best sellers when it comes to ATV batteries. Number 2. Chrome Battery YTX14 BS ATV Battery. If there was something that would sell plenty no matter what thing it was, it would be the duo of affordability and a lot of advanced features. This Powersports Chrome battery is one of the very few ATV batteries in the market that has managed to tie this knot. This maintenance-free AGM battery is spill-proof and only awaits a secure connection before you start riding. Number 3. Shotgun YTX14 BS ATV Battery. Something that could dramatically improve your ATV performance would be quite a deal, don't you think so? An ATV battery that promotes just that dramatic performance improvement is this one right here. Made from absorbed glass mat technology that we call AGM for short, this requires absolutely no maintenance. You don't have to constantly check for lowering water or acid level, and you can focus on the game too. Number 4. Mighty Max ATV Battery. This gel battery line from Mighty Max is made specifically to replace many OEM batteries on a wide range of ATVs. Of course, you can sort through them quickly using the Amazon compatibility checker. Mighty Max batteries opt for the exposed steel post-style terminals. I actually like these quite a bit because they give you horizontal or vertical options for clamping wires. The hollow steel terminals use an internal nut that can be oriented either toward the front or toward the top so you can place your connections where they're easiest for your needs. One thing I like about the Mighty Max battery is the 30-day return window, though I would prefer to see that be a 90-day. Some faulty batteries take several uses to show their problems, and this can usually be covered by their 1-year warranty. If you're looking for a gel-based battery that's available in just about any size you could want, this might be your choice. Number 5. MotoBatt Factory ATV Battery. If any brand on our list is loved for the quality of their batteries, it's MotoBatt. Their batteries receive nothing but rave reviews and feedback from users. On top of that, their batteries are high-quality factory-filled sealed AGM batteries with high durability. Like all the batteries on our list, the MotoBatt AGM ATV battery comes in tons of sizes. They're meant to fit just about every make and model of quad on the planet, and all you have to do is follow the link to use the Amazon compatibility filter. Depending on the exact make and model of ATV you have, you may get a screw terminal or exposed terminal battery from MotoBatt. They're both totally fine, but remember that if you're changing terminal types, take some time to consider how the new wires will fit the battery.